Hi, I'm Kristen and I'm with One Focus Property Management, and today I'm standing in 520 Shaw Street in Avis, Pennsylvania, and I'm in apartment number 2. This is a really nice 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment that's ready for you. So sit back, I'm going to take you on the tour, and after this, I'm going to tell you the next steps in making this the next place that you're going to call home. Before we go inside and take a tour of the apartment, I didn't want to miss being able to show you this fantastic deck. It leads right into your main entryway, and there is plenty of space to be able to put some furniture out here to be able to enjoy the outdoors. Coming inside, we have the open kitchen, living, and dining room. As you can see, there is a fridge, a stove, and a microwave. You have these beautiful cabinets and plenty of them for storage. I also like that you can fit a nice 5-piece table set here, and then also fit in your living room furniture because you have that clear separation between the two areas. Also, ceiling fans are absolutely gorgeous. I love that oil rubbed bronze look. Coming into the bathroom, your washer and dryer are included with the property. You have a little cabinet to store your soaps. And then when you look right here, you've got a storage closet and then all your bathroom necessities. It's also spacious. We're gonna come right back into the hallway. Let me flip a light on here. And we're gonna go right into the first bedroom. I would say you'd very easily be able to fit a queen size bed in here. You've got neutral colors. These gorgeous hardwood floors come all the way through into both bedrooms. Plus the double racks in the closet, super valuable, and it makes it nicer to be able to increase your storage space. Last but not least, we're coming into the master. Very spacious, very spacious. This is a king-size bedroom all day long. I don't think that you're going to have any problems fitting your furniture in here. It's beautiful, it's neutral, it's bright, and it's got a really wide closet with a double shelves inside of that for storage and hanging. So I've delivered something cute, cozy, and ready for you. So what do you have to do to make this the next place that you're going to call home? Well, you go to www.onefocuspm.com. You look at our residential listings and you'll find 520 Shaw Street. You'll be able to look at all the property information, book your tour, and even submit your application today. You can also call and talk to a live person at 570-505-3347. We hope to hear from you today.